The title of our book today is Water Changes, written by Brenda Parks. Let us think for a minute about what these changes may be about. If we are going to predict how water changes, then we can question how many ways can water change. Keep this in mind as we go through this book. As we are looking at the picture on the cover, we can already infer that two changes are happening with the water, the liquid freezing into ice. Water Changes by Brenda Parks. Water changes in many ways. Just like in our cover, the water here is turning into a solid. Or what do we call that process? Yes, ice. Or just like that movie we watched, Frozen. The temperature drops down to freezing for this to happen. Water can change into rain. When it rains, the water comes down in some different ways. I remember it raining yesterday, and the rain was very heavy and fast. What does this rainfall look like? Maybe what we call this is light rain as it's hitting the roads. I am predicting this because I see the sunshine in the background, and it's sunny. Water can change into snow. Wow, the mix of cloud, freezing temperatures, and rain make up that snow. This looks like heavy snow. The mailboxes are covered. Maybe it was a blizzard, snowstorm. Maybe the streets are covered. Look at how you can't see anything here, but you can see the stop sign. The snow is halfway up the stand of the stop sign. Water can change into fog. This farm looks like it is sleeping. Fog or morning dew usually happens in the morning. In the photo, the sunshine is just coming over the hills. See the hills here? Would you agree that this time of day is morning? Sure, that's right. No animals are out. Maybe just the rooster in the barn. Water can change into hail. In this photo, the hail looks very different in sizes, big and small, but round. So I can infer that those small shapes would be hard to touch. They did not break apart when they hit the ground. They stayed round and firm and hard. In February, here in South Carolina, we always prepare for inclement weather like this. They call them snowstorms or ice storms. Those little balls could break things. Oh yeah, your parents too got their car windows broken? That is a great example of how hard hail can be. Water can change into ice. Another way water changes is from that liquid state we drink into ice. We may use it to drink our soda pop. What happens to that temperature? That's correct. That temperature dropped at below freezing. Those berries and tree leaves are cold, and they formed icicles. What can water change into next as we stare into these clouds? Now that we've talked about how water can change into rain, snow, fog, hail, and freeze into ice, do you think water can be anything else? Let's look at the clouds and dream up some other things and ways water can do.